Today we're making this ridiculously easy recipe, no bake peanut butter chocolate bars with a little bit of sea salt. To get started on making our super easy, no bake peanut butter chocolate chip bars, we're gonna start with a cup of butter. So we're gonna melt this butter in the microwave for our base. Once we have our butter melted, we're gonna add in 1.5 cups of graham crackers that I just smashed up. So we'll add that to our mixture. Then I have 2 cups of convection sugar. Mix this all together. And this is our base. This is super easy, so quick. You can make this for almost any holiday or any time that you wanna go to someone's house, bring something over. Mix this in. Next, we're gonna mix in your favorite peanut butter. I have 1 cup of creamy peanut butter here. Mix this in. Now that we've mixed this together, we're gonna take, I have a 9x9 pan here. You can also use 8x8, whatever you have. I'm gonna use some parchment paper to line that. And I'm gonna pour our mixture right on top. Now we have our base. So next we're gonna do chocolate chips. So I have 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips that I'm gonna melt right in the microwave. So we've melted our chocolate morsels and we're gonna add 1/4 cup of peanut butter to that. We're gonna mix this all together. And now we're gonna pour that on top of our mixture here, our peanut butter mixture. And spread that all out. These look awesome. So simple and easy. If you're gonna do this for a holiday, add some festive sprinkles for Christmas, Halloween, any festive, Easter, anything you wanna do. Today I'm just gonna make them just like this, and I'm gonna add a little bit of sea salt to the top for a little sweet and savory flavor. I'm gonna stick this in the freezer for about 1 to 2 hours till it sets, and then we'll cut it. Our peanut butter chocolate bars have set. So easy when you use parchment paper, you can just take them right out of the pan. And we're gonna cut these up and serve. Super easy. Looks just like a Reese's peanut butter cup. Look how delicious. Plate them right here. And again, if you want to make this for a holiday, add some festive sprinkles and you have a delicious dessert. For the full recipe for this super easy recipe, visit NikkiGlekis.com and don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more entertaining tips. Enjoy.